Welcome back on this Monday morning. Winter weather advisories are in effect through this afternoon and evening for our western and our north central counties of the UP, highlighted here in purple. On the west end, those expire at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Parts of Marquette and Alger counties, those advisories expire at 7 o'clock this evening. Here's what's happening. Here's a look at the satellite and radar loop imagery. We're seeing the lake effect snow increase coming in off of Lake Superior, especially over portions of western Alger County, now tapping into northern Delta County. There's a prominent band of lake effect snow there. Here's the setup and what's happening. A cold front is exiting the UP this morning on the east end of the UP. Winds are going to be increasing behind this. There's a weak little trough also that will dig in behind this, and that's going to allow lake effect to increase with that colder air as well. Here's a closer look at the lake effect that we're encountering this morning. So as far back as parts of Baraga County and western Marquette County, the Michigamme Highland areas, they're encountering some of this light to steady lake effect snow. There's more moderate to heavy lake effect snow right now over basically Alger County, western Alger County through 94, Chatham, down through US 41 into parts of Delta County, northern Delta County, as well as northern Schoolcraft County. This is the intersection of Imperial Heights Road with Baraga County on US 41, and it's covered in snow there. And we do have some snow that's still coming down there at this moment. And it's windy over downtown Marquette with just a little bit of light snow. With that wind increasing, that could limit visibility at times today. So it did set a moderate to high risk for travel today, as we can plan on some slippery road conditions with the blowing snow. That means some poor and limited visibility, especially near Lake Superior. And then it did set a low to moderate risk for outages, tree damage, as well as lakeshore flooding. That wind will increase. That means that we could have a few possible power outages near Lake Superior, a few down tree limbs and branches and things like that, as well as some larger waves with that wind will cause some beach erosion. Let's talk about winds. Gusts of 35 to 45 miles per hour throughout the day. This is right around midday today, extending into the afternoon with winds decreasing in strength later on this evening and tonight. Snowfall, about 1 to 3 inches of snow across the west and the far east end of the UP, but that prominent lake effect snow that ramps up off of Lake Superior in parts of Marquette as well as Alger counties will have ranges of about 3 to 6 inches of snow. Let's time it out here for you. It's going to increase by about midday, so the morning hours means we have more lake effect snow ramping up, especially near Lake Superior. We'll stop it at noon there. As we head towards the afternoon, this is 4:30. It starts to taper off across the west end of the UP and continue within portions of Marquette and Alger counties with a prominent band basically between those two county lines there, extending through northern Delta County. As we head towards the evening, it tapers off. By tomorrow, it's done as winds shift. They'll be more southwesterly by tomorrow, bringing an end to that lake effect snow. Today, high temperatures within seasonal ranges of mainly mid-20s, but a few teens possible along the Wisconsin state line, and some low 30s in the east. Here's the pattern and the setup with the jet stream and the temperature departure from normal. There's a big ridge on the west end of the country with an unseasonably warm air mass. We have the trough right over us, bringing in that disturbance and lake effect snow right now. What's going to happen over the coming days is that ridge is going to flatten out, bringing in that unseasonably warm air mass into our region in the Great Lakes by the end of this week, continuing into the weekend and this upcoming holiday. So by the official start of winter, which is Thursday, the winter solstice, we are going to be unseasonably warm again, and that continues into Christmas.
Today's pets waiting for forever homes are the Eva Burrell